G'day guys, Dave Hazelwood here. Look, the fourth commandment for clients of Knights Woodhouse is that thou shalt not compare thyself to others. It's a really difficult thing, and I know, particularly in this age of social media, it's hard to avoid making comparisons. Most people can't resist, at least on some level, making that comparison. But what they then try and do is they try and compete as well. As a result of this, they make poor decisions out of a need to feel like they're comparable. Or they feel disheartened because they're not where someone else is, without understanding the true circumstances and without any reference to what they're trying to achieve for themselves. Look, if you've fallen into that trap, it's not your fault. We're status conscious people. And in this age of social media, it's really, really hard to avoid that. The reality is, though, is that we never really know who's swimming naked until the tide goes out. And some people you really don't want to see like that. Look, what we need to do is we need to come back and focus on what's important to us, where we're at in relation to that, and the progress that we're making towards those goals. It's those three key factors that will determine whether or not you're successful and whether you can live a life that for you is truly remarkable. At Knights Woodhouse, we use a tool to help you determine what are the three key pillars underpinning all of your financial decisions. What are the three key priorities for you? Now, this is the stuff that clients pay us thousands of dollars to work through with them, but I'm happy to share that with you. If you'd like access to this tool and the rest of the 10 commandments, all you've got to do in the comment section below is type in, "Don't compare." Dave Hazelwood, I've got to run. It's great talking to you.